Central Committee President, Mr. Biswajit Kumar Debarma, our Advisor Chairman, Upendra Debarma, and our Advisor, Biswajit Kaloy, and our Advisor, TSF, Sunil Debarma, former General Secretary, and our Central Committee members. Well, as we knew before the election, we have supported the Tipra Matha during the elections, and we have been working with Maharaj over 15 years back. We worked together, our senior leaders worked together for the betterment of the indigenous community. Today we have accepted the Greater Tipra land, and for the course for the indigenous community, we are ready to work in any kinds of work, in movement. So we have accepted and will support the Tipra Matha and Maharaja. So at this juncture now, I would like to give our time to our advisor to brief the media.
Well, as you know, the General Secretary of TSF have highlighted our issue of being here together with you. Now, as you all know, TSF first was created in the year 1968. So since then, the first leader, Sukhmoy Debarma and Navendra Jamatia, the TSF have been doing a lot and is still doing for the welfare of the indigenous people, especially the tribal people as a whole. Now, since then, their aim and objectives have been partly fulfilled, and the TSF, the organization, have always been looking for the welfare of the indigenous people. Now, on that case, TSF, now in the past days, TSF's aim and ideology was to look for the betterment of the indigenous people, and TSF also in its own constitution says that TSF can support or withdraw their support to any political party, may it be regional, may it be national, but on the interests of the indigenous people. Now here, even in our earlier days, our seniors, they have been working with the indigenous political, regional political party, and now this time also, since the last election and even when Bubagra was in the Congress, we have worked with Maharaja for a very long time, and in fact, today we would be happy to declare once again officially that we will be, the TSF will be on a move for the fight of the Greater Tipra Land movement, and we shall be supporting Bubagra and the indigenous cause in the state and as well as outside the state. Mention that TSF will support Greater Tipra Land movement in any type of movement, agitation, physically, mentally, morally. We will be there for the fight for our Greater Tipra Land. Any type of movement.
So TSF is a very vast network. You know, the people of members of TSF are also in other states. So they are also joining the movement. And
exactly, as I have rightly said, that we have a large network even outside India. Now, for the cause of our people, we are joining the movement. So I think there is no question of units of TSF in other states or other country not willing to be on the Greater Tipra Land movement, because this is all on our issue. Now, on our issue, we shall not compromise. We shall fight with Maharaj since he has taken the lead now for the Greater Tipra Land movement. We will not step a step behind for the fight in favor of Greater Tipra Land.
Subscribe to Tripura Info and press the bell icon so that you never miss any latest updates and news on Tripura.